Hey, what's up guys, Don here. So today I'm going to be showing how I would memorize in foreign words. I'm not going to pick French because I understand some French. I'm not going to pick Italian or Spanish either because sometimes you get similar words to French or English. So just going to go with Uzbek here. So basically how I'm going to do this is I'm going to come up with a memorization for the word, and I'm going to come up with something for the meaning. So during this time, when I see the words, I'm going to copy and paste them into Google and just get the translation for the words. It's going to take a bit longer than it normally would here, but let's get started. So is tack, so I'm going to see attack, like in English, so is tack. And then let's find out what this word means. So I'm seeing like a tack going inside of a heart on that first location. Tariksi, so I'm seeing like a cab driver crying, because I think like tear and taxi kind of put together. Actually, it's more like that's tar, so I should see like tar pouring on the taxi, and it's running over history book. Okay. Okay, let's find out what this means. Okay, so it's a suit. Costume, so I think like cost, like money, and yum. Or it's, okay, costume. Okay, yeah. Why did I try to put those together? Okay. So I'm seeing like a guy in a suit, but he's got like a pumpkin head because Halloween costumes. Costume. Okay. So once I get the meaning, okay, quish, bird, quish. That's a tough one. Kush, maybe. It's like being, I'm just like seeing like a sh, but okay, the queen is gonna sh the bird for quish. Okay. Concert. I'm guessing this is a concert. Maybe there's some like English too. Concert. Okay, that one's pretty easy actually. So cold. So I see like so cold here, but they use a Q instead of a C, and it's a beard. So somebody with like a chilly beard, with like ice coming off the beard. So fat cat. I'm probably saying all these terribly, so my apologies to anybody from Uzbekistan, but I see like a fat cat, and they're starting an OnlyFans. Rhythm, so like Ritz crackers. Let's see what the. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So a Ritz cracker, and it's got like good rhythm. Okay. Yuski, okay. Yuski. Then it just takes. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Okay, I guess I'm on my own for that one. Have to, so you have to do something, and somebody's just like pointing. Let's see. Have to, okay, have to, and they're pointing at a calendar. Okay, that one's not bad. Ebitoide. This is. I'm seeing like tiny, but also or tidy. Ebitoide. Okay, so like a tidy monkey. Parsha, so instantly I see a parachute. Parsha, so and they're dropping out a piece of cake out of the parachute. Okay. Ustiga, so I see like an American, like a tiger, but they're wearing an American flag. Ustiga, and they're on top. And yeah, I'm picturing golf here because it also gives me Tiger Woods. So he's on top. So yeah, now I kind of switch to that. Clinic. I'm guessing this is clinic. Sometimes they're pretty easy. Clinical. Okay. So that's more like a doctor setting than a clinic. Oh. Car Sackler. Oh, what happened to my other tab? It's unfortunate. Car Sackler. So a car applause, and somebody's like clapping out of the car. Okay. Bexabar. This is a tough one. Okay, so there was like back in the day, there was this cartoon called The Bar, the King of the Elephants. So I'm seeing this King of the Elephants, and he's like looking around, he's unaware of what's going on. So Bexabar. Taxalislar. Let's see here. So I think of like Justin Trudeau in the government, and he's like taxing people who have nicknames. Okay, that actually works pretty good. Okay, that's ironically we go from liberals right to conservatives. But maybe it's plural, so yeah. Okay, it's just conservative. Okay, that one's super easy. Xanthol. I think of like when I hear Xanthol, it sounds like a prescription medication to me, but it's mustard. Okay, so the doctor's like prescribing mustard. Oh, we're going just heavy on the politics today. Capitalism. Okay, so see like Uncle Sam there. Capitalism. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's see if okay, Iztak is desire. Okay, Iztak desire. Okay, Tariqsi. So this was history. Costume. Quiche is a bird. Concert is a concert. So cool. Oh, so we saw like the ice in the beard. Fat cat. I saw a fat cat. And they're starting OnlyFans. So fat cat, and this is only. Ritz cracker with good rhythm. So rhythm. They kind of. I don't think there was a translation for this. So like I just saw skier. You ski. Hafta, and is it week or weekend? I'm gonna cheat here. I know it's week or weekend. We can look it up after. It's Ebitoide, so primitive, and we saw like the monkey tidying up. How much time do I have? Did I even put a time in? No. Oh, parachute. So this is piece. This is a parachute throwing out a piece. Ustiga. So this is on top. Clinical. And we saw doctor here. Karsaklar. Oh. Applause. Okay. Applause. It's applause or applaud. Bexabar, so this is the unaware elephant, or Babar. Taxalislar, so I thought of like Trudeau in the government, and he's taxing people with nicknames. Conservative, that one's pretty easy. Xanthol, so I thought it was like a prescription drug, but it's mustard. So I saw like a doctor prescribing mustard. Capitalism, that's pretty straightforward. So now I'm just going to go over one more time just to get the spelling. Iztak, okay, desire. Tariqsi, history. Costume. Quiche, the queen telling the bird to sh. Quiche. Concert. Sokol. Fakat. Rhythm. Yutski. Yustki. I'm definitely butchering these. I'm sorry. Hafta. Ebitoide. Ibti. That's going to be a tough one to spell. Parsha. parachute piece. Ustiga on top, clinic, clinical, clinic. Car Sacklar. Okay, I'm gonna have to come up with like a sack. Applause. Car Sacklar, Bexaber. Tax Alislar. Conservative. Xantal. Capitalism. Okay. Conservative. Tax. Alislar. Bexaber. Car Sacklar. Hope I got that. Clinic. Okay. Iztac. Tariksi. Costume. Quish. I think the T was first. It's either this or this. I think it's this. Sokol. Fakat. Rhythm. So. Iztac is desire. Tariksi is history. So we saw, so this is a tack going into a heart. This is a taxi which has tar dumped on it running over history book. Costume. So we saw the suit and the pumpkin head. The queen selling a bird to sh. Somebody's having a concert. So cold. So I saw it like so cold. And this means beard. So it's like ice stuck in somebody's beard. The fat cat. This is only. Rhythm is rhythm. Then they gave me one that didn't translate. That was kind of rude. Hafta, and this, I can't remember if it's week or weekend, but I saw calendar, so somebody's pointing at the calendar. I think it's week. Okay, this one was really tough to spell, but it means primitive. Parsha, parachute. It's peace, but I saw parachute. And then we had Ustiga, so this is on top. So I saw like Tiger Woods on top of golf, and like that gave me a real American image, which gave me the U.S. Clinic, clinical, Karsaklar. Clinic, clinical, Karsaklar is applause. Bexabar is unaware. Tax Salislar is nicknames, so Justin Trudeau taxing people with nicknames. Conservative. Xantal is mustard. And capitalism. That's pretty straightforward. Alright, okay, so I spelled one of the words wrong. I swapped the B and the T there, but that is how you memorize foreign words. And hope you found this informative, and I hope you have an awesome day.